welcome back to my channel. In case if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. My name is Linda. Yeah, Linda. Welcome to the family. Please kindly hit that subscribe button below so you are part of the squad, and also hit the post notification bell so that I get notified when I post a new video on my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I go about creating this very vampy metallic makeup look. So if you want to see how I go about doing that, then please keep on watching this video. So the start of the show is definitely our eyes. I'm going to be starting out using that Beauty Treats 130 eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using that red shade in that palette and using that fluffy blending brush. I'm going to be blending that shade all over my crease area and underneath my bottom lash line area. Then I'll be moving over to that black eyeshadow from that same 130 color eyeshadow palette. It's the Beauty Treats 130 eyeshadow palette. So I'm just using my pointed blending brush just to blend that black shade all around like my crease area and also extending it to my bottom lash line area. Then I'm going back to that same shade which I used as my transition color just to blend my crease area. So I just keep on blending it until I have like a very smooth, well blended base. Then next I'm going over to like do a core crease. So I'm using a concealer and that lip brush just to, you know, cover up my crease area. So after I'm done with cutting my crease, I'll be moving over to applying eyeshadow all over my eyelids, and I'm using a sleek original eyeshadow palette. I'm just using that blue shade I just showed you. I'm just going to be using a small eyeshadow brush just to apply that eyeshadow all around the parts of my lids which I defined. Just carefully popping on the eyeshadow. After I'm done applying the eyeshadow all around my lid area, I'll be moving over to applying that black shade right there. I'm just going to use it with that pointed brush just to, you know, further define my lid area, just to ensure that the core crease is, you know, well defined. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to go back to that same fluffy blending brush which I used just to blend my crease area, just to ensure that the two colors there are, you know, well blended and all. So I'll be applying glitters now to my lids, and I'm using the classic glitter glue and that blue glitters. And I'm just going to pop on little of that glitter glue to the glitter, and I'll start to use that small eyeshadow brush just to press on the glitters to my eyelids. I'm not going for a cakey glitter look. I'm just applying the glitter lightly on my lids. So next I'm going back to that same transition color just to further like blend everything out all around my crease area, just to ensure it's well blended. And also I'm also blending it to my bottom lash line and dusting off the glitters which fell off on it. So now I'm using that those studs I just showed you. I'm going to be using one of them, and I'm using the one that has like a little like a blue hue to it, and I'm just dropping it on my tear dot area. I use like my eyeshadow and my eyelash adhesive to like stick it onto that part of my eyes. So I'm just carefully placing on those studs, and yeah. So next I'm just going to quickly line my eyes, and I'm using the Hang Fang liquid eyeliner just to line my eyes. And then because I have glitter on, I'm not really doing much. I'm not really extending the eyeliner towards my tear dot area because I already have that stud right there. So next I'm going to be applying that blue glitter as I used on my eyelids onto my bottom lash line. I'm just pressing it on and extending it to where that black eyeliner is at. So just keep on blending that glitter slightly and making sure I applied it well enough. I'm just carefully extending it a bit more. Then next I'm just going to quickly pop on my lashes, and the lashes which I'm using are a pair of red cherry lashes in number 132. Just carefully popping on my lashes. Then next I'll be applying my mascara, and I'm using the Nikake mascara just to, you know, blend my false lashes in with my lashes. Just carefully blending it in. Then next I'm going to be cleaning off the falling glitters from off my face, and yeah, at this point I'm feeling myself. So to prime my face, I'm using the Pond's Oil Lasting Cream, and onto foundation I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in number 365. just blending it all over my face. Then I'm going to be highlighting using the Lagirl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan, just blending the highlighted part of my face in with that beauty blender sponge. And for the area that is like the glitter area, I'm just using that small blending brush just to just blend the concealer there in. Then I'll be setting the highlighted part of my face with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm just pressing on that powder to the part of my face which I highlighted. Onto defining my face, I'm using my LA Pride Contour Game palette. I absolutely love this palette. I'm using that medium shade right there just to define my cheekbone area, and I'm also kind of like defining like my chin, and also I'm also going to define my forehead area and also set the other parts of my face, all using powders from this same palette. And I'm also going to further like deepen, like carve my cheekbone area using the darkest powder from that palette. So next, on to blush. I'm going to be using that light orange tone blush from that Beauty Treat palette. Then next, on to highlighting my face. I'm using the highlighter from my LA Pride Contour Game palette just to highlight my cheekbone area. Yeah, highlight it, baby. And also highlight like my cupid's bow right there. Yes, highlight it. And also my brow bone area and the bridge of my nose. You have to raise that nose up. Highlight it, and also like my forehead area. So next, I'm going to line my waterline using a MacBook Extremely Soft Eyeliner Pencil. I forgot to do that when I was doing my eyes. So I'm just applying lip balm to my lips, and I'm going to be lining my lips using that Sheen lip liner in dark blue. Even if you don't have this product which I'm using for this video, you can always improvise, use something that looks like it. So after I'm done lining my lips, I'm going to be moving over to like my lipstick, and I'm using the classic long-lasting lip gloss in Peace. Just going to carefully just apply that all over my lip area. This lipstick is like, as in it is matte, and it is as in it just killed this whole look. So I'm just carefully just applying that lipstick all around my lips, and going back to just further highlight like my cupid's bow area just to get it to pop. And I'm also highlighting like the center of my lips just to create more of like a dramatic look. Yeah, so that's it, baby. Yeah, that's it. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please kindly give this video a huge thumbs up, and please, if you're yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button below right now. Please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.